Made of stainless steel. Sturdy clips and latching system for efficient closure. Tight-fitting lid keeps foods fresh. 7-inch round shape makes the perfect flan. Ideal for preparing flan, quesillo, and other desserts, oven safe. The Imusa Flan Mold in the 1.5 quart size is made from stainless steel and has a locking top. Locking lid in 3 places. Top reviews from the United States. Recipe fits. Just a quarter cup short of my easy recipe below. It's delicious, everyone raves. 1 can evaporated milk. 1 can condensed milk. 1 can of whole milk measured from evap milk can. 1 tea vanilla. 5 whole eggs. Make your sugar caramel like usual and twirl in base of pan. Mix all ingredients together and pour through strainer into sugar glazed pan. Lock lid, put in water bath. Halfway up sides. Bake 350 for 1 hour. Out of oven and leave on stovetop for 30 minutes, then fridge overnight or 3 hours. Open, flip, enjoy.